Bentley Electric Vehicle will pack 1,400 horsepower 0 to 60 in 1.5 seconds. Subscribe to Electric Vehicle News Bitesize podcast for free. Bentley has secured a £2.5 billion investment to support the 5 new electric vehicles and will also transform its Crewe factory into a state-of-the-art facility for the manufacture of electric vehicles. The brand has confirmed that Bentley will launch its first Bentley electric vehicle in 2025, followed by a new all-electric model every year until 2030. In addition to the 5 new electric vehicles to be launched between the end of 2025 and 2030, the British company will also launch 5 new hybrid vehicles this year, accelerating its electrification strategy. Every Bentley will be at least a plug-in hybrid by 2026 and fully electric by 2030. Bentley has revealed some shocking details about its first all-electric car due in 2025. CEO Adrian Hallmark said the Bentley electric vehicle will have up to 1,400 horsepower, 1,044 kilowatts, and be able to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.5 seconds. While these performance specs are more typical of a Bugatti than a Bentley, Hallmark added that 0 to 60 acceleration won't be the electric vehicle's main selling point. In an interview with Automotive News, the executive said that the brutality of acceleration will not define the car, and that the key attribute of the new electric vehicle is easy overtaking with lots of torque on demand. He explained that most people enjoy acceleration from 30 to 70 miles per hour, or 30 to 150 miles per hour in Germany, so that's where Bentley's first electric car will shine. Going back to a 0 to 60 of 1.5 seconds, Hallmark says customers can also opt for a slower 0 to 60 acceleration of 2.7 seconds if they find the fastest setting too uncomfortable. While Hallmark didn't reveal the body style of the new electric vehicle, he said its design would be updated based on Bentley's current look, without following any electric vehicle trends. "What we're not going to do is try to make them look like electric cars," he said. He also revealed that a variant of the new electric car will cost more than €250,000, $262,250, a price point left when the brand discontinued Mulsanne in 2020. Hallmark noted that it would not be a saloon. Based on the 2019 EXP 100 GT concept, Bentley's first electric car could take the form of a Grand Tourer. Bentley's first electric car will be based on the premium performance electric platform developed by Audi. According to Hallmark, Bentley's attributes are incorporated from the start and the platform provides the brand with the battery technology itself, the power plant, the autonomous capabilities, the connected car capabilities, the body systems, and some of those innovations. The first electric Bentley will go into production in 2025 at the automaker's factory in Crewe, England. The Cheshire plant has been certified as a carbon-neutral facility, and future initiatives to further improve sustainability include expanding on-site power generation in Crewe, with the aim of increasing the number of solar panels from 30,000 to 40,000 over the next 2 years. The brand also intends to reduce water use, landfill and many other carbon dioxide generating processes in the manufacture of every car Crewe makes. Bentley will also implement minimum sustainability standards for its suppliers. As part of the manufacturer's commitment to redefining sustainable luxury, Bentley is not only focusing on what it offers, but also how these products are designed and manufactured to reduce the overall carbon footprint of its cars. W.O. Bentley founded Bentley Motors in 1919, and for its current team of more than 4,000 dedicated employees, the company's extraordinary cars are always designed and built by extraordinary people, using only the finest materials. They have also been driven by extraordinary people. From the 1920s and W.O. Bentley created unprecedented feats of engineering for today's visionary Bentley owners. Bentley drivers help shape the world around them. Please give Electric Vehicle News Bitesize podcast a 4 or 5-star review. It would be very much appreciated. Subscribe to the Electric Vehicle News Bitesize podcast for free on Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Overcast, Deezer, Breaker, Castbox, Pocket Casts, Radio Public, Stitcher, Amazon Music, Audible, Ghana, Samsung Podcasts, Google News and the Electric Vehicle News Bitesize Alexa skill. For more articles and episodes, visit Tesla holds the top 3 spots for the best electric cars in America. Subscribe to Electric Vehicle News Bitesize podcast for free.